Hello, this is my first YouTube video, so let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup. So many of these videos I should know what the hell to say, but no. All right, so I'm gonna go in first with my foundation. I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus.
This foundation, like, I've been using this since forever. It literally makes you look beautiful. I don't want this video to be long because I just don't want it to be long. And then this is a Real Techniques blender. Again with what's it called? Some concealer. And then this is the Photo Focus concealer. Amazing concealer, what can I say? Honestly, anything Wet n Wild Photo Focus, you need to go cop that and go to Walmart. Like, you don't need expensive makeup to look bomb. I learned it the hard way. Like, I was obsessed with makeup when I was 16, 15. I would buy so much makeup. And then I would buy, like, these luxury brand makeup products. And my mom would be, well, she would get mad at me because it's like, why do you need such expensive makeup when you can buy a, like, $7 foundation at the store? And you know what? She has a point. Because you're just paying for the name, and then these brands, like, they don't even stay on your face, like, that long. So, yeah. So I've been doing makeup since I was probably, honestly, I was doing eyeliner since I was like 11 or 12. I didn't get into like foundation and stuff like that until I got to high school. So yeah. And then it was until my senior year of high school that I discovered the Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus. And then I kept switching off with that foundation and something else through like my freshman year of college. And then once I figured it out, like how to like do my makeup well with Photo Focus, it's like, I don't need to go back, I don't need anything else. Right? Okay, so I just finished the concealer.
You saw what I did. And then I'm gonna go back and put on
the second, what's it called? The second layer of makeup. So the first layer that I put was kind of light, and I wasn't supposed to put this one on first. I was supposed to put this one on because this one's a little bit darker than what I'm supposed to be. So once I put this one over, it would like match up. But you know, it doesn't matter. It's still close to my skin color, and it's gonna be dark outside. I'm still gonna put on setting powder, so it really doesn't matter. I feel like I've done my makeup so many times, and like, I wouldn't say I messed it up, but I probably messed up a step. But you know, there's always a way to fix it. There's always a way to fix it. Alright. And then, I don't know if you can tell the difference between this side and this side. Like, this one's more brownie, tanny, and then this side's still pale. But bro, like, can you see, like, the magic the foundation's doing already? I don't know why I'm wearing this. It doesn't even fit me. I let the cat play with it, and then he stretched it out, so I don't know why I put it back on. And then boom, amazing. Alrighty, okay, and then again, Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This is the banana powder. Highly, highly recommend. It's gonna make you look flawless, flawless. And that's a period. Now, makeup, it's folded steps. And then this is where it makes or breaks you, not really. It makes or breaks me when I do my makeup, because I'm like, wow, I really look like a clown. For what? So I could look bomb and fuck when I'm done. Remember, you wanna pack and dab, pack and dab.
There's that. Check out my nail. So cute, right?
Alrighty. Bloop. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, my eyebrows. Okay, so while I let this bake, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just plucked them, I think, yesterday. Shout out to my dad for the eyebrows. Cause my mom, she ain't got eyebrows. The Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm gonna just take the black ones right there to fill in my eyebrows. I'm not gonna have my makeup on that long tonight, so I'm not gonna like carve out my eyebrows. Anyways, I love Uchis. Her new album was beautiful. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Sorry, I can't sing, but I like to pretend I do. Alright, so now I'm gonna take off all of the setting powder. What I tell you, it makes you look flawless. Okay, now I look like a man, probably. But you know, it's part of the process. It's part of the process, and trust the process. Oh no. So now I'm gonna contour. So I'm gonna take my Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Starr Cosmetics, and then I'm gonna take that color right there and just cut my cheekbone. Get a fluffier contouring brush, and then I'm going Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette. Go back, like with the rest that's like left on here, I just sweep under my eye to get rid of that like white blush back. Think of what blush. So my big, I'm in a sorority. I'm in Phi Sigma BTW. She gave me this beautiful palette for Christmas. Let's admire that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna take this orangey pinky color, and I'm gonna put it on my cheekies. Gotta give it that little. How does that look? I think it looks cute. And go back with the contouring and just warm up that face. Okay. So I'm gonna do highlighter at the end. How should I do my eye makeup? Should I do something bold? Actually, I'm gonna go back with this palette. Take it personal. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I haven't done this look in a good minute. So I'm basically gonna take a hot pink and then the black. This is quick. So keep position. Yes, okay. And then, so the pink was the transition color, so now I'm going with like this darker purple, burnt purple. And put that on the lid, on the crease. Sorry, I'm doing these weird faces, but you don't make them. That really looks so bomb. So, I would say you could take you could take this 3 to 4 different ways, you know. So one would be like putting like a yellow gold in the middle, make it look sunsetty. Or you could go back and just put like a nice sparkly pink, you know. Or you could put like a dark sparkly purple. Or you could do what I'm gonna do black eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go with the shiny one. And give you a sick night look. Sick. Okay, I don't like how this blush is, how it looks with, what's it called? A brush. Please don't mind my one broken nail. So I think this is more of a silver color than like a black, because that's what it's coming off as, and I low-key don't like it. I don't know if I have like... I'm gonna just put regular black over it, because I don't like how it looks. I do not like how it looks. So with the black, you're just gonna pack it on. And I must say, I kind of underestimated this black because it's so pigmented. I like how I said natural makeup. To me, this is natural. You know, to each their own, right? Baby. Okay, so enough of my terrible singing. I am now gonna put on, what's it called? My eyelashes. So I'm gonna take some dual glue and I just put it right above my lash line, not on your lash line, above your lash line. And then I get these lashes from Amazon. They're called Black Beauty Lashes in the style 3D FM16. You get 15 pairs for like 15 bucks. I usually wear mine about a whole week before I toss them. And that's that already. I think I'll put on more blush because I do not like it. Alright, and then I'm gonna take my blood sugar palette again, and then I'm gonna go in Donor, that sparkly one right there, and I'm gonna use that to highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with Sweetener. Amazing. Okay, so I'm basically done. I just gotta do my eyeliner. And then I'm taking again Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, triple, oh, H2O something. Sorry, the thing's coming off. It's all on the flick of the wrist. Alright, and that's about it, basically. Put on some setting spray. And then, what lipstick should I do? I'm gonna have to take it off either way, so it really doesn't matter. Shout out to my friend Kevin. He gave me a bunch of lipsticks for Christmas. I think I'm gonna go with some, like a regular nude. And this is Family Jewels by Jeffree Starr Cosmetics. And that's it. Now I have to do my hair, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, so we'll see when we come back. But this is my finished makeup. So much for natural, huh? But it's okay. I like it. Sorry my hair looks like this. It was up in a ponytail all day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, you know. I don't know, guys. This is my first video, so I don't really know what to say. I'm just a little bit overwhelmed, I guess. But yeah, I really appreciate if you're watching this. I really appreciate it. So thank you. If you
Just follow me on YouTube, follow me on IG.
My name is Elizabeth, so it's gonna be ELL. Sorry, I don't even know like my no, I do. It's Elizabeth, ELLZAB3TH_. So Elizabeth, yeah, and then if you guys want to follow me or like add me on Snapchat too, it's at Savages1999. I'll put that stuff below. Also, I do have my own business. I sell Dulces Enchilados, spicy candy, and then I have a giveaway going on right now for Valentine's Day, and you can go enter it too. And yeah, go check it out. The Instagram for it is called lapicante.hotcandy, so check it out. And I as well have a women's boutique. If you guys want to go check it out, it's called Fina Latina Boutique on Instagram. Again, thank you so much for supporting me and watching this video. Hope to see you guys soon.